Alright, today, Brooks, we're going to make snow with the product called Instant-Snow powder. We sell several different products at Store for Knowledge that are like this.
And I'm going to make a snowman.
And you're going to make a snowman. I don't know if there's that much snow in here, but we're going to show the viewers just an example how this works. You get a tube of snow, which is powder basically. You'll need some water to pour into it, and magically snow appears. You ready? Alright. So dump all this in here. And we'll see how much snow this little tube makes. Alright, you ready? Here we go. See what happens. Amazing. Here we go. What's gonna happen? Should we do some more water?
Yeah. And more snow.
And more snow?
Yeah.
Let's do more water.
I wouldn't touch it.
Okay, hang on. Let's see what happens with the process.
It's so white.
Snow is white, right? Most of the time? Oh, it's growing, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Don't drink it. Or sniff it.
Why?
Because.
I already did.
Just wait. Let's see what happens. Is it making noises?
Yeah.
No.
It just like.
Those are your fingers. Still growing, huh? Think it needs more water?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
A little bit more water?
And
Nah.
no, a little bit more snow.
A little bit more snow? You don't think it's enough? You want to dump it out now?
Yeah.
Or let it grow a little bit more?
More snow.
Let's see what this does. Alright. Oh, wow. Look at all snow. Isn't that crazy?
Whoa. Dump it out on the
Dump it out?
table.
Okay.
Whoa.
That's just one little tube. Wow. Look at all that snow. Isn't that crazy?
I'm gonna make a snowman.
Whoa. Make a little snowman. But you can buy several tubes and then we can make a snowman. A little snowman. Pretty neat, huh?